In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add caller ID in Twilio. Welcome to this step-by-step guide, where we'll walk through the process together. If you're new to Twilio, adding a caller ID to your account is an essential setup step that can greatly enhance the experience for you and your contacts. So grab a cup of coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your Twilio account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll want to sign up and follow the instructions to get started. It's generally a straightforward process. Once you're logged in, directing your attention to the dashboard is our next move. From the dashboard, we're going to navigate our way to phone numbers. This option on the left sidebar is quite visible, and clicking on it brings us closer to our goal. Now that we've reached the phone number section, let's take the next step by clicking on Manage. Within this section, you'll be able to see a variety of settings and options that pertain to the numbers you are working with within Twilio. The place we need to zero in on is Verified Caller IDs. This is where you can manage and view all caller IDs that Twilio has confirmed as valid. To initiate the process of adding a new caller ID, you're going to want to click on the button labeled Plus Add a Caller ID. This is an important action because it kicks off the verification needed to introduce a new number into Twilio's system securely. By adding a caller ID, you're essentially telling Twilio that you want to use a particular phone number for your outgoing calls. Adding a new caller ID involves verifying that you own or have permission to use the phone number you're adding. What will happen next is that Twilio will send a verification call or message to the number you're trying to add. Always have your phone handy and ready to receive this verification. It's a crucial step that ensures that there is no unauthorized use of someone else's contact information. Finally, after successfully verifying the number, your caller ID will be securely added to your Twilio account. This means you can start using this new number for your communications, allowing for a more personalized and controlled calling experience. Before we wrap up, remember that a verified caller ID is essential for ensuring the legitimacy of your calls, and it plays a part in compliance and trust with your contacts. Thanks for watching, and if this tutorial was helpful, make sure to check out our other videos for more insights on making the most out of your Twilio experience. Happy calling!